Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you about how to create Origin account on mobile. First you need to go to Google and search Origin. Go to Origin, click here to go to Origin. Click here. Click here. Click register to create account. Now you can select your location. Select date of birth. I'm sorry. Text here. Accept it. Click next. Okay. Enter your email. Enter your password. Example. Enter your public ID. Enter your first name. Wait. Okay, enter your first name, your last name in the game. Okay, now click next. Choose a security question. Choose your question, select your question. Student. Yeah. I'm sorry, just kidding. My profile, activity. Click create account. Click create account. And now I'm waiting for my verified code. It will send to your email. Okay, waiting for it. When your code is sent to your email, you need to enter your email, enter your verified code right here. I'm sorry, enter your verified code right here, and then click continue, and it's done. It's really easy, and you can sign in. You can sign in your game. Okay, now I can sign in into my EA account. Okay, it's easy. Thank you. Goodbye.